Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
That Francesco is fine looking.
And those open wheels.
Ooh.
One tire, I give you 7 snow tires for free. Done, you're interested, you call me.
Thanks for the help, Corporal.
Anything for one of Pop's mates.
Mayor, let's go! You're on!
We had some good times together. I'm gonna miss that the most, I think.
Tidak, tolong dengar aku. Jangan pernah menghadapi pencuri sendirian. Itu bisa sangat berbahaya.
Figured if I'm gonna be your crew chief, I'd better do it and stop.
Tell me, darling,
Who'll be jamming now?
Trocito, ven aquí. Sí, qué gran tractor. No, 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 no. Ven acá, tractor.
Well, sure you can, Mac. Look, it'll be easy. I'll stay up with you.
All night?
All night.
I'm telling you, man, every third blink is slower.
Your axle rock. I'm sorry to interrupt. No, it's all right. I just wanted to come down here and to personally thank you.
Kau bisa ambilkan peralatanku di bengkel? Tuh, aku segera kembali ya. Terima kasih banyak.
What just happened?
Sterling, why don't you and I take a drive and talk? Billionaire to billionaire.
Okay, I didn't want to have to do this, Doc, but you leave me no choice. Fellow citizens,
Get your head in the race.
No, wait. Tell her she's on a beach and all the little crappies have gone night.
Identified as Crop Hopper 7.
I'm running on vapors. I need to land.
What are you doing out here with an empty tank?
Well,
Aku sangat mengantuk. Wah, apa itu?
oops.
More talent in one lug nut than a lot of cars have got in their whole body.
Really? Oh,
Bet you're
Hawks
dealer in Paris, a treacherous lowlife, but he's the only car in the world who can tell us whose engine this is.
Goedemorgen, racewagen. Morgen, takelwagen. Goedemorgen, Stanley.
Nice costume. Come here, let's get a picture. It's so great to meet my #1 fan.